In the spirit of personalized gifting, Giftpack is proud to offer a personalized message feature allowing you to add a unique and heartfelt touch to the gifting experience. By including a few heartfelt sentences of appreciation, mentioning the collaborative projects you've worked on together, or congratulating them on their past achievements, you can make your recipients feel seen and genuinely appreciated. Let us demonstrate how you can seize this opportunity and make the most of it. When creating a smart gift order, you will reach Redeem Template page. By simply clicking on the text box, you have the freedom to customize the text and logo according to your preferences. Feel free to make changes or additions to create a unique and personalized email experience for your recipients. Please note that you also have the option to send a test email to yourself first, ensuring that everything is set up exactly as you intended. For marketplace orders, you have the ability to personalize a message as well. To do so, go through the steps of creating a marketplace order as previously mentioned. On the third page, you will reach the recipient details section. Here, you can modify the message by clicking the Customize It button. Hope you found this useful. You can check out more videos like this below.